John Thompson drove home from work after a long day, just wanted to go up to his apartment and relax. He parked in the same spot that he'd been parking for over 3 years. The next morning he got up to go to his car and go to work, and when he got out there his car was gone. Over the night, the city had come and they had taken the place that he had been parking in for 3 years and they changed it into a handicapped parking spot. A police officer came by, saw that he was parked in a handicapped parking spot, and had his car towed. Maybe you can relate. There are things that you've been counting on, things that you were relying on, and things just seem to change overnight, and it's difficult to keep up. I got to tell you, that's why I love the Global Sources Summit, because it's a chance for someone like me and for you, online sellers and Amazon sellers, to catch up with what's going on so we don't have our business or our car towed away while we're sleeping. I'm super excited about this year because Tim Arrington and I are going to be holding some sessions before the summit that go over some things for newer sellers. How to find the right products, how to find the right sources for those products, how to market those products, how to handle some of the logistics that go about marketing those products. It was at a Global Sources Summit just a couple of years ago that we first started our business, and we've consistently run a 7-figure business because of the things that we've learned and the products that we found at the Global Sources Summit and the Global Sources trade shows. We're super lucky this year because we're sandwiched between the Consumer Electronics Show and the summits happening during the Home and Gift Show and the mobile electronics. So this is a great opportunity for you. We're looking forward to being with you, looking forward to you come joining us on the 17th for the pre-workshops. We're going to have a great time, we're going to learn a lot, and we're going to make sure that our business and our cars aren't towed. Look forward to seeing you there.